Hi guys, I'm going to do a quick demo on making a sub feed or making a whole set of sub feeds in my own project. I'll show you how I use sub feeds to summarize the accumulation of individual tasks. So my residential project has a bunch of tasks that I would make sub feeds for. So I'm going to select the feed icon button that takes me directly to the list of feeds for the residential project. I'm going to select the settings button of the summary feed at the very top. This brings me into the settings for this particular feed. You can see my list of tasks here. Only the billable time tasks that would be billable to the contractor I'm working for are selected in this case. And so the sub feed button is right beside the share button at the very top. I'm going to select that, and I'm going to make a sub feed for each task in this project. And I'm going to use the same feed. So the feed that I'm working in right now is called summary. So I'm going to select the summary feed, and I'm going to work my way through making a sub feed. For this demonstration, I'll just make a few. So I'm selecting myself as the user, the same project, summary every time. And then I only select the one task that I want that sub feed to reflect. So that sub feed is going to accumulate all of the events of that one task and give me a subtotal. Do one more, and we'll take a look at what it looks like. So what this does, it gives me the ability to organize my feed into individual tasks. So I can make a summary of how much time this top sub feed is called doors, and the total amount of time in this project spent on doors is 5 hours, 21 minutes, and 41 seconds. The second sub feed is hardware, and the total time for hardware was 1 hour, 7 minutes, and 34 seconds. And likewise, drywall, 8 hours, 9 minutes, 1 second, and flooring, 4 hours, 48 minutes, and 49 seconds. And then it goes on to show those tasks. Let's take a look at one sub feed. So if I select the doors sub feed, I see only the tasks, only the events for the task doors. And I see all those tasks, and they're all of those events add up to the total at the top of 5 hours and 21 minutes and 41 seconds. Same thing with hardware. All of the hardware events and drywall. All the events that use the drywall task are listed in this one sub feed that accumulates all the time for those tasks, those events, and that in this case 8 hours and 9 minutes and 1 second accumulated for drywall. So that's how I use sub feeds to summarize my own events, my own tasks inside of my own projects. This is different from using a sub feed to depict events from when a friend shares a feed. A subfeed can be used. A subfeed is used to summarize a friend's feed as well. But in this case, I'm using a subfeed to summarize my own list of tasks.